my favourites about the Modern Pirate matte clay is the smell. The citrus and tobacco leaf gives you a real fresh smell, along with a nice classic smell, real masculine, real manly smelling. Put your head under the water, rinse it out, and it comes straight out with those naturally enhanced ingredients. It makes your hair feel like you've shampooed it, like you've washed it out. Put about a 10-cent piece sized of matte clay in the hand and really work it into the hand. Start to rub it right through to really work that product. You can see it's already breaking down. We're going for a more natural, bit of a messier style, not so clean looking. We're not going to use a comb for the finish of this. Really rubbing it into the hair, right down to the roots. When you're using that matte clay through your fingers, it's not like your typical matte clay. It's a real soft, buttery feel. But once you put it into the hair, work it into the roots, you get this real natural, dry finish. Really user-friendly and water-soluble. It's going to come straight out with water.